Hi guys, welcome back. Now this is a straight to the point short tutorial video on how to tie African wrapper. Now this baby wrapper, for me the one I like is when it's short. Okay, you can see the measurements I have, just short, and at the corner I can't remember the measurements fully, but when you have it this length it's easier to tie. You can use longer ones, but I prefer the easy life, so I'll recommend to cut it short if you can. And here we have our lovely model, baby Ify. So you just take the baby up. If the baby is used to this or is able to stay, then you can keep them on their own and use both hands to get the wrapper. If not, use one hand to hold the baby and the other hand to get the wrap. Now you can use this from any age. You can tie the wrap in a way that it will support the head and the neck of the baby. So when you put it around your back and the baby's back, you make sure it covers the baby's shoulders but not the head, and then you fold the top part first over your breasts, and then the bottom part you lift up. Now you can either cover the baby's legs like I've done here, or you can take the baby's legs out. I prefer to cover the baby's legs, so it's your choice. So adjust as needed, and then get the two bottom parts and tie them over. So just do a loop and tighten, then a second loop and tighten, and voila, there you go. This is the African way to wrap a baby on your back, African wrapper. Thanks for watching. See you next time, guys. Bye.